guys, in this video I am going to show you, not we, I am going to show you how to make a blind bag. So first, take anything you want. Like for me, I have Nestum. It's a Malaysian food, like breakfast. Next, grab a paper and then you fold it in half. Just fold it in half though. Oh wait, but if you need to make it like more stronger, use anything that's hard, like ruler. And scrub it here like this. Then next, take your glue, just glue it here until here, this line until up here. Don't glue up here. This is where we're going to put the stuff. Before that, let's draw it. First, wait, let's take my pen. Where's my pen? Wait, I just found my pen right here. Next, you just like draw a line, like you know, like in YouTube blind bag video, you know, they make line to cut it, you know. Just do that. Then you draw, or no, like right next the blind bag like this. The line was, I said it was here, right here, and this is how I draw it. Okay, next you need to draw common, rare, epic, legendary. And my hand has been so many mistakes. So first, common, draw a line like this, common, and the line. So the rare, epic doesn't need. Like this, right? But if it's not long as the legendary, make it longer until here, like this. Wait. Like this. Next, in our country, just draw your money. Like we draw R and M as ringgit. The M is silent, or it doesn't even have M. For me, I'm making it sideways, like this. Like this here. And now you can glue it. You don't need to wait. Take a piece of paper. This is my newspaper. Take scissors. You need it. Scissors are important. So I don't need like parents' help. So wait. There's like other countries are extremely like, yeah. In our countries it's different, but I wish I live in Dubai still. And then at the paper, you have to like set you got first. Oops. You got like this. This is the you got. And below here is where we put anything like common, rare, epic, legendary. For this one, it's rare. Seriously. And then you need like tall paper and fold it in half. take your glue, open it open. Just like I said, glue here until here. Don't glue everything as I said. Don't do that. Because we need to put the stuff inside, and I'm selling this tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. But in other countries, maybe like, okay, in Malaysia country, in Sabah, Malaysia country, it's when it's 6, it's already night. So I'm done gluing. Okay. Don't forget about the paper. You need to like, okay. If it's not strong enough, put more glue. See, just like, it just happened. It just happened to me, not going to lie, just happened. This is the worst time ever. I mean, like, this happened to me like multiple times, so yeah, I'm not kidding, seriously. Done. Okay, yeah. You got to be kidding me, not down here. I think I'm done. So, snap. My trash can fall off. Even though this is my homemade. It's hard to do, okay? I do it just once. And then you need to open it. First you need to put the paper as you thought it would, like, and then after you glue it. And next, after you put down the stuff, glue over here. And this is my longest, has to be like the longest tutorial. Seriously. And there you have it, your very own blind bag. So, sayonara, Papa Rogers.